you know?
Yeah, and we've seen that multiple times with, especially with loans, looking at people's names, you know, even to the point to where, you know, because, and I know we talked about this before, but even to the point where it creates, you know, that AI or whatever it is that's looking at that machine learning doesn't know racism, but it can take that data and then turn around and put it and say, this person has this type of name that is, you know, significantly from this type of country. So in turn, you know, they were even, there was 2 corporations that had gotten busted, you know, here recently for, you know, African Americans were being charged higher interest rates on loans. Right. So, you know, I think that's a perfect example.
Right. And so if we look at the design of it, right? So when you're designing your information right out of the gate, so if I want to profile individuals, that type of profiling, be it racist or something else, right, automatically puts someone in a box and puts them at an unfair disadvantage. Right. That didn't need to be there. So when we look at TARTLE, we encrypt and anonymize not only your information, but your name right out of the gate. It's an anonymous exchange because we don't want people to come out and, you know, lowball a price or a value for someone's information because they're looking at their name and like their information, the way they think is clearly worth less than what we'd perceive from someone who might be a 6'5" white male.
Right.
Know?
Right.
And that's not fair, right? And frankly, it's morally and unethical, you know.
But the computer systems do not know that.
The computer systems don't know that. So, and it's not the computer system's fault.
Right.
By design, we have to have the proper intention on the system so that we don't have those issues, right? So from the core, you know, TARTLE was designed so that everybody starts on that even baseline playing field because there's really no difference between you and I as individuals, right? Right. It's just how we perceive one another. Right. So if we have an even perception, that means our data is going to be valued evenly. And then when that starts to flow through, then we have a nice, more common factor in our market. Yeah.